Hey everyone, welcome to the Adventure Startline channel. If you ride in the summer, you know airflow is everything. Today we are unboxing the Sedici Federico 2 mesh pants, an affordable pair of hot weather riding gear that's been getting a lot of buzz. Let's crack this open and see what they offer. They have arrived. I went to the store to try on different brands. These ticked most of my boxes, but they didn't have my size. Standard packaging. Not much risk of damage during transit. Some airbags to stop it sliding around inside the box. Right away, they feel pretty lightweight, which is what I was hoping for from summer pants. We've got the hang tags here with the Sedici branding, CE armor, and a little overview of features. Snap and zip closure for the front. There are adjusters for the waist. You also get a connection zipper for your jacket. Side pockets with yuck zippers. The pockets are a good size for a phone or wallet. Large mesh panels run down the front of the thighs, exactly what you want for airflow. There's CE Level 2 armor in the knees. The height is adjustable. The cuffs have a zipper and Velcro adjustment so they'll fit over or inside your boots depending on your style. The pants do come with a 80-gram removable thermal liner for colder conditions. For the price point, these pants feel like a great value. You're getting mesh airflow, a 600D chassis, armor, and adjustability without spending a fortune. Stitching looks solid, materials feel soft but durable, and the yuck zippers are a bonus. I'll be testing these out on actual rides soon, but so far the first impression is solid. Comfortable, breathable, and designed with the daily commuter or beginner adventure rider in mind. That's the unboxing for now. If you want to see how they perform on the bike, including how they fit, vent, and perform during real-world rides, check out the full review on my channel. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps me keep the content coming. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly gear reviews and how-to videos. Please drop your questions in the comments or share your experience. Catch you at the start line.